You can order the spark plugs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. You should now be able to see where the spark plugs are located. There are 4 spark plugs located on the passenger side and 4 located on the driver's side. Passenger side spark plugs may be difficult to access. You can reach it more easily through the mudguard. Remove the coil by simply pulling it out. Do not pull on the power cable as this may damage the coil. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 5/8 inch spark plug socket, loosen the spark plug. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the spark plug. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor. You can order the spark plugs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Grab the new spark plug. Put the new spark plug in place by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to gently bring it to the screwing support. Then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the tightening torque recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. We advise you to change the spark plugs one by one, as it is important not to swap coils. Operation complete.